The Nyotreb Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Laban Sports and Socio-Cultural Club, at a function held at the State Convention Centre on the 13th of November, had felicitated students who had successfully cleared the SSLC, HSSLC degree and other examinations held in 2020. As many as 258 students were felicitated during the function. 30 toppers received a laptop each, while the rest of them were presented certificates and mementos as recognition of their hard work and success. The MLA of South Shillong Constituency, SANBOR SHULLAI, had graced the occasion as chief guest, while the state's BJP President EARNEST MAWRIE attended the felicitation program as guest of honor.
As your own brother, as your own people, we are here today as a whole family. So I take this opportunity just to appeal to the parents or to students, because you are our tomorrow.
Yeah, look this way.